All right, guys, we got something different here. We have a Hot Wheels Starships, and it is the General, I didn't watch this, Grievous, I think it says, wheel bike. There's a picture of it right there. Another picture, interesting. I get a few of these. I got that one, and I got that one, I got that one. Now I have the wheel bike. Cool. Crack it open, see what we got. All right. Really cool. Love the designs. Very nice. All right. Don't need that. This is the stand it comes on. So this is probably upside down. Very interesting. Does anything move? Nothing moves. Okay, so let me just give you a close-up. I don't know. Oh, wait a second. Let's see. There is a square. I'm not sure how that goes. We're just going to look at it. All right, so again, I did not watch it, so all you guys that know what the hell this thing does, I'm assuming that these are like things that spin around. It is a wild looking thing. You can see right in there, this little guy's all controls and everything. Pretty wild. I'll do it just roundabout and see what we got. Then I'll do it up and down. So I'm assuming that's a gun. Something else going on right there. It's a wild looking piece. See how close I can get it. Really, really nice. Pretty cool, guys. I'm liking this thing. Nice. The wheel bike from Star Wars. Hot Wheels. Thanks for watching.